going to show off some really cool stuff too, such as, let's see, the red nose, the red nose, and let's see here, some amazing animations too, by the way. Oh yes, the snoot cam. There's the snoot cam, just like that bacon commercial. And then the meditation animation that Final worked on. See if the personal mirror can get a capture of that real quick. The nose inflates, and then there we go. Let me get that on the camera. There we go. We have one called the Money Maker. The nose twitch. Chicks dig the nose twitch. There you go. And one of my favorite ones, just a mirror, just a little bit. One of my favorite ones that Final worked on right here is the itchy nose. There we go. There we go. I had to turn off the animations, but I love that. That's audio taken from a Pluto the Dog cartoon, Pests of the West, by the way. I went around and got the clean audio rip of that. You can probably tell there's a weird, like a record bump in it, but that's just how it came with. I think that's a Disney thing. I don't think it's the quality of the cartoon, but yeah, Final. Come here, Final. Like, here we go. My friend here has worked really hard on this. He helped pay for the model, which I'm very thankful for. He's worked really hard on the animations. If there's anything you guys want, if you ever want a commission from my friend here, Final, I definitely recommend it. He did a wonderful job. Reach out to him.
I'm always willing to check out people's personal avatars and see if they want like personal animations for them. And it doesn't just have to be sneezing or anything nose related. I can always do a bunch of other stuff.
Yeah, exactly. Red
Can
noses.
I move my hand forward? I want to. Why is it not capturing my hand? There we go.
Oh, that reminds me. You can also, if you poke it, you'll actually trigger an animation.
Well,
so you.
Well, I need to actually have the thing track my hand first. There we go.
There you go.
There we go.
Just long enough.
I can't do it. It's not tracking it on my laptop webcam.
Nice try there. There we go.
And they're done.
There we go.
Well, I might go and watch the next panel on Twitch now. Okay.
Alrighty.
That sounds good.
It was fun seeing you, though. Hope you have a good time, though.
Yeah, thank you.
Hey.
Nice meeting you.
Yeah.
Nice to meet you too.
I'll see you again when you come back
I can't
on.
actually move it down
I know.
here. Like, let me just. Yeah.
It's all good.
Yeah.
Here, I need to tickle this again. Shut it off.
Snoot.
I am just the snoot fox.
Yes. Come on. Come on.
Hang on, wait, I think...
Do I have to like ram my finger in there just to get it to work?
Just jam it in there.
It's like a key in a keyhole. You just gotta like. Sorry, we're trying to.
where that's been.
We're trying to trigger the animation. Come on, get in there. There you go.
Okay.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
I had to use my finger as a key
Yeah,
to a
Ari.
keyhole and just like.
Yeah.
Oh, there we go.
The flower.
There we go.
I should have bought you flowers.
Oh yeah, that reminds me. I don't know
If you think that's good,
Oh yeah, do.
if you think that
Wait, show
if
them.
you think that's good, check this out.
There you go.
Oh no.
Big old nose.
Jongus.
Zums. And then we got this one too. Here we go.
Lizard button.
Let's see here.
Who's got the lizard button?
Here we go. Oh,
Lizard.
hello.
Lizard.
Lizard.
Here, where's the?
Hello.
There you go. That flower's getting to me. Ah, this is so good. I love the finger point too. The finger in the north. Yeah, that's a really nice touch. My nose disagrees with you. I see your point, but my nose
I can
disagrees.
joke all the dogs.
Nuh-uh. Nuh-uh.
No, I can joke all the dogs.
Nuh-uh. Nuh-uh.
No.
Nuh-uh.
And then there was a nuke.
Boom. You know, if it wasn't for if we weren't at Furality, that would be kind of a funny April Fool's thing we could do. Like they finally do the sneeze, but it just does like that Warhammer model that we used to troll with.
yeah.
It's the entire world.
Yeah, it's like boom.
Everything's connected.
Oh, there we go. Uh-oh, he's gonna sneeze, he's gonna blow.
Maximum feathers.
There you, oh, he's going. Oh, I love that. Ooh, the money maker. Too much feathers in here. Oh gosh, I can sneeze again. Ugh. Ah. Did I get Pluto? Should I get like audio of like Pluto actually sneezing for you to add to that one?
Yeah, that way I can modify the animation to use that too.
No, you didn't want to make my sneeze again. Here.
I need to change the not side actually, so it's the right one.
There we go. Like trigger the sneezing emote. See where's expressions. Emote. There you go.
My GPU, I'm hitting
All the feathers in your model.
utilization and it's probably about 50 odd degrees Celsius.
I'm using less of my CPU than of my
Whew.